Okay, this is the elevator, I guess, in the Simon Music Center in the West Wing here at Indiana University, Bloomington. And we have a Dover Impulse. Yeah, it works. Here up at 3. And of course, it's a Dover. Let's get a cab view. Cab looks like it was recently redone. Very nice. 6,500 pound capacity. That's insane. Impulse fixtures, phone. I guess you could say it's in this building. I pretty much confirmed it upon walking in here. Here are ground. That indicator is broken. Well, there it goes. And that'll be it.